In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate WordPress websites in 2025. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes, so let's dive right in. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to wordpress.com. This is the official website where you can manage all your WordPress sites, and accessing it is your first step toward translating your website. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner and look for the login button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to sign in to your account. For a more streamlined experience, we recommend using the Continue with Google option, especially if you have your site linked with your Google account. Simply click this option and you'll see a list of the Google accounts that are currently logged in on your device. Select the relevant account associated with your WordPress site. After selecting your Google account, you should be directed to your WordPress dashboard, a centralized hub where you can control various aspects of your site. Once you are in your dashboard, locate and click on Settings. This section contains numerous options for customizing your site, and it's here where you'll find the controls to change the language settings. In the Settings menu, navigate to the General tab where you will find Site Language. Clicking on this option will reveal a drop-down menu that lists all the available languages. This is the exciting part, as you get to choose the language that best fits your audience or your personal preference. Whether you're switching from English to Spanish or any other language, select your desired option from this menu. Once you have selected your preferred language, make sure you don't forget the final step. Click on Save Changes. It might seem trivial, but saving your changes is crucial to apply the new language settings to your site, and that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully translated your WordPress site, making it more accessible to a wider audience. This simple yet effective customization ensures that your content can reach beyond language barriers. Remember, the world is more connected than ever, and providing content in multiple languages can significantly enhance user experience and engagement on your site. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful for your WordPress journey.